Hello everyone, this is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. It's Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. I'm in West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm about to show you a restoration of a 1979 Jeep Cherokee Chief S that we just did for a customer who is now living in Newport Beach, California, and this is where this vehicle is about to go to. So let me flip the camera over and show you all the details. Here it is. This is an absolute beauty. It's firecracker red with tan interior, and the seats, I guess, are custom Cherokee Chief Indian interior, if I had to guess. So all I know is it's stock, but just want to show you the quality of paint. Just had it detailed a couple days ago, and it is absolutely immaculate. These guys really did a good job. Had the wheels refinished, the hubcaps polished, wheels polished, and you can see these are open center caps for the wheel locking hubs. That's how they came. It's four-wheel drive. Here. Just want to do a complete walk around. We refinished these hubcaps with a Jeep logo. So I'm gonna try to turn my camera upside down a little bit so you can see the word Jeep on it and the AMC colors. Has a Michigan tag. That's where my customer used to live, but he just moved to Newport Beach, California. Another good look at those wheels. And by the way, those tires are all brand new tires. As you can see, they're Toyos, open country. It's one of the things we did. I'm gonna open the hood here. I'll set my camera down real quick to open it up. Hold up just a second. Okay, sorry about that. Give you guys a view of the palm trees here. It's hot. It's like 90 degrees already. Beautiful lake in the background. But here is the engine. It's a newly rebuilt AMC 360 with Holley 2300 EFI Fuel Injection. Brand new Aluminum Crossflow Radiator. Both overflow tanks. New plugs, wires, a lot of new parts. New battery from Napa. Got hood insulation. One thing I forgot to mention, we put on a brand new grill. Now let me show you the interior. That's what I was talking about. It's that Chief stock design. It's a beautiful interior. It's got 96,229.7 original miles. And he's got a custom stereo with Bluetooth capability. Original dash. We cleaned it up as best we could. The carpet looks new. We didn't install the carpet, or let me take that back. We installed the carpet, but we didn't purchase it. This was the original carpet he had in there, so I'm assuming he had that put in a few years ago. Kind of get back here to the back. Oh, headliner. Let me lift the seat up here. Gonna get back here and show you that cargo area. I'm gonna open this window eventually so you can see it. Let's get in there a little bit. He's got a subwoofer. I'll get a better view of it when I take the tailgate down, but just wanted to show it to you from here. All right. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to get out in the back. Kind of tough because this thing's only a 2-door. Chiefs were only 2 doors, not 4 doors, so makes it a little bit difficult to get out there. So let me walk around again. Get the other side. This is such a beautiful Jeep. These are so rare. Just walking back here to get the keys. I just wanted to keep the video rolling. And now we're going to start it up. Starts right up. Let you hear the engine. Runs very smooth. Runs good. It's strong. Now let me hit the tailgate window here. Get a view of the back here. All right. That's that subwoofer I was talking about. My detailers really did a good job getting this really nice. And also too, this is a brand new frame. Try to get underneath here. We had it sandblasted, powder coated. I got a bunch of pictures I'll be posting, but at least want to show you guys that, because the other one was just so rusted out. And I want to get y'all the best view possible. Sorry if this doesn't look good, but it's about as best as I can do. Get the bottom as well, as best I can. I think my customer's going to be quite happy with this when he gets it, because these are so rare. So that's basically a wrap up. This is again, this is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. www.themotormasters.com. So the word the, T-H-E, and then motor, then masters like the golf tournament.com. You can also catch us on Facebook at the Motor Masters, but our primary page for these Jeep restorations is Phil's Wagoneers. We're also on Instagram, Phil's_Wagoneers. So look for our posts there. I'm also on YouTube at the Motor Masters. And as I said before, in West Palm Beach, Florida, this is where the restoration took place. We also have other locations in Hendersonville, North Carolina, Travelers Rest, South Carolina, and Anderson, South Carolina. So if you're looking to restore your Jeep Grand Wagoneer, your Jeep Cherokee Chief, or any Jeep, give us a call, 561-318-0968, or you can email me at Philip with one L, P-H-I-L-I-P, at themotormasters.com. You all have a wonderful day, and look forward to hopefully hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.